Hello students, good afternoon. In our previous lecture, we have discussed who did Patrick's homework exercise, right? So in the exercise, we have discussed half of it only. Half of it are pending, which we will discuss in our today lecture. Okay, so let me revise it. We have discussed, I think, up to filling the blanks. So I will revise it to you, and then we will move forward. Okay, so let's go to the first question. That Patrick think his cat was playing with, what did Patrick think his cat was playing with? What was it really? So here in our we have discussed para 2 is written in the end of question. There is 2 it written, that shows in our paragraph 2 the answer you can find about this question. And we have answered that Patrick thought that his cat was playing with a little doll, but it was really a man of the tiniest size. Correct. So this question answer I have given, what, that Patrick cat was playing with some kind of doll, but in a real it was a really a man of the tiniest size. The next question, why did the little man grant Patrick's wish? When Patrick saved that little man, Patrick had demanded something, some wish to save the tiniest size man from his cat. Correct? In our story, we have discussed that one. So, here, what will be the answer? Why that little man, that is elf, why that elf has granted the wish of Patrick? So, the answer is, the little man granted Patrick a wish because he wanted to get free from cat who was torturing him by playing with him. Okay, he wanted to free from that cat. And the next question, what was Patrick wish? What Patrick has a wish to that elf? That also we have discussed in our previous class, that Patrick wanted the little man to do all his homework till the end of this semester, which was for 35 days. He wanted to get grade A in all subjects, that is get A's in the all subject. So for that was the wish he asked to Alf. Okay, and the next question, in what subject did little man need help to do Patrick's homework? So what it he asks, in what subject that little elf wanted help from the Patrick to do Patrick's homework. Okay, so the answer is, the little man needed Patrick's help in almost all subjects, right? Because that little man requires the help of Patrick in almost all subjects. In English, from dictionary, wanted Patrick to find meaning of the words from the dictionary. In math, he took guidance from Patrick for addition, subtraction, division, and fraction. And human history was mystery for it, because that elf was not aware about the human history also. Okay, and the next question we have discussed, what, that was, how did Patrick help him? In which way Patrick helped him, that elf, to do his homework? So I have answered here that Patrick helped him by consulting a dictionary for difficult words in English. He guided the little man in doing some in arithmetic and read out portion from history book, as he didn't know anything about human history. Right? That also we have discussed, because that elf was not aware about the human history, and he don't know about any addition subtraction, that we have discussed in this previous question. Similarly, so how he helped with in English with a dictionary with difficult word, for difficult words, for some he did arithmetic, and for a history he read some history books portion for the Alf to help him to do his Patrick's homework. Okay, and the next what we have learned, that who do you think did Patrick's homework? The little man or Patrick himself? Give a reason for your answer. So in our story, who did that homework? Okay, and we need to give the reason for our answer. So here it was not the really, it was not the little man, but Patrick himself had did his homework. Okay, Patrick himself did that homework, not that little elf. Okay, so why? So we have answered here also that as little man did not know anything in English, maths and human history, because that little man was not aware about the English, maths and human histories. Patrick had to consult dictionary, guide him with maths and help him to read too. He stayed up at night and worked hard. Therefore, it was Patrick who did the homework unknowingly. Because Patrick here unknowingly word why we have used that I have explained, but again I am explaining that Patrick was thinking that Alf is doing his homework. But if you see in a story, or if you see here what I answer, in that you can easily identify Patrick was working to explain all the thing to Alf, that little man. Patrick was working to explain him. So in that way, Patrick did his homework unknowingly. That Patrick was not aware about that he is doing homework. Okay. And the next slide, next question is filling the blanks. We need to filling the blanks with the given word, and okay, that what we have discussed here. Sure, mystery, semester true to his word, look up, outlook between you and me. So all of this exercise we have finished till here. Next, we are going to fill this box. Use the clues given below to complete this crossword puzzle. So this crossword puzzle we need to finish. Okay, so here in this question you see there are a blank box are there which we need to fill correctly. So in this exercise, if you see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so in that way numbering is given. So here for each, for 1 there is one clue, 2 also there is one clue, 3 also there is one clue. Similarly up to 8, for all of them they have given a clue. So I will open in a PDF. See here, across and down. Across means horizontally and down means vertically. In our puzzle they have given. So here if you see, first very tired. So for to what thing we say is very tired. So meaning of very tired, we give some particular spelling or word which is the containing W and A. So remaining 3 are blank. So we need to give correct word meaning which compatible with very tired. Okay, which is the meaning of very tired. So we will write down the correct answer is what you can say very tired. So very tired you can answer as what you can answer. Think of it. I will tell you, but you think what you can think about that. So in our chapter we have discussed weary, right? Weary means very tired. So I will write down here. Okay. Okay. Make weary. You see, weary means very tired. right? And the next clue for second, here is our second. You see my cursor is moving, that is our second. Had an angry look on face. If your face has an angry look, what we call it? And we, that word is containing s in a starting, d in a last of its spelling. Okay, so what it can be? Think any word comes in your mind. I hope it comes, but let me write down the answer. That is scold. That is scold. See, we have easily finished that word. Scold, S-C-O-W-L-E-T. That is scold. That is meaning of had an angry look on the face. Okay, and the next is short trousers. Okay, what you will call short trouser? In our story also you find this word short trouser. If you remember the meaning of breeches, that is we call it as a short trouser. So correct answer is breeches. Okay, see, easily you can, if you remember the word, new words we have learned, you can easily finish this exercise. Nothing is hard here. Okay, if you know the meaning of a short trouser, that is breeches, then you can easily write down this blank. Okay, let's move with the next clue. What is our next clue? A fault in a machine that prevents it from working properly. Okay, okay, so in our story we have discussed a fault in a machine that prevents it from working properly. We have understood the meaning of this word, that is containing G, L and C, that is glitch, right? We have discussed about the glitch, what we can say if your computer is not working properly. So you can say that there is some glitch, right? That is a glitch. So correct answer is glitch. And the fifth one, the last one in across, a small and naughty boy fairy. A small and naughty boy fairy, or you can say a tiniest size man. What we call it is a elf, right? In our story, small person is elf. So the correct answer is elf. Okay, student. So we have finished the all across word 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, which are our across word, which we have finished now. Now we are going to discuss the down word. In a vertical blanks we are going to discuss. So for a down there is 6, 7 and 8, 3 are there. So we will finish with one by one. So what sixth word is there? Work that must be done every day, often boring. Okay, what work should we do every day and often boring? What we call it, that meaning, that is chores, right? Chores, correct. Did you understood about this one, how we can do that one? Chores meaning we have already discussed.
that is some kind of task is given, especially a difficult task or unpleasant or routine one, that is we call it as a chore. So here in our exercise, in our chapter also, homework, while doing homework, you see work done that every day, it's one kind of a routine. We are doing a daily homework, that is one kind of routine, that is chores, often boring. Okay, a basket with a lid, one basket is there and it is with a lid, what we call it as a hamper. Like bucket, top side is there, that is also we call it as a hamper. So the correct answer is hamper. Okay, and the last word remain, that is eighth one. And what is the clue? Give a short high pitched cry. One short high pitched cry, that we have already discussed in our class. What it is? Shrieked, right? That we have already discussed in our chapter. If you have read it, then you could easily answer it. Shrieked. See, we have finished all the blank space. That string word also you see here. If you go here, you see, I will show you. Strict word is there, SHRIEKD. Glitch is there, correct. Then we hamper is there, breeches is there, alf is there. So all of those words we can easily give answer. If you have read it, then you can easily fill this crossword puzzle. Nothing is difficult here, easily you can give the answer if you know the meaning and the word spelling. That's why I request you, all of you, to read it and write it down and remember it. Okay, so now we further move for the next topic, that is, let me zoom it. I think now it is visible to you also, that in the story Patrick does difficult thing he has to do, right? Because the elf pretends he need help. Have you ever done something difficult or frightening by pretending about it in some way? Tell your classmate about it. So this is the task for you actually. So what you need to do in this task, if you ever you know that work but you are pretending that I don't know about that work, you are pretending like that. Like, if I will give you an example itself, that you student are there, okay, and I am teaching you, and I will pretend like that I don't know how to teach, but I know how to teach, but you feel I will pretend like that I don't know what to do about next and this. So in that way, have you ever done those kind of thing to your friend or someone else? So if you are done, tell your classmate about it. You discuss that point about, okay, you discuss about it with your friends. Or second thing, say what you feel about homework. Okay, if you are doing homework, then what you feel about it? Do you think it is useful even though you may not like it? So do you think that homework, doing homework, is it is useful? Think about it and talk with your friends here, for form a pairs and speak to each other. That way we cannot currently form a pair, so you can discuss with anyone, your family or your friends or sibling, with anyone you try to discuss it. Okay, here's one example also is given. You may say I am not fond of homework, and your partner, it means your friend, is there and he will reply that, but my sister helps me with my lesson at home and that gives a boost to my marks. My sister is helping me with homework so that I am getting a good marks. That way you can discuss. So here there are few words are given: not be found, not take to, not develop a liking for, not appeal to, not be keen on, not have a taste for, support, assist, with the aid of, help, be a soon, give a boost to. So these are the words are there. We can prepare some sentence, or you can talk with your friend using this word. Okay, so I will write it down few sentence about using those words. Okay, so you can easily understand it. So this one is there, we have discussed this, so I will write it down here, some sentences of it. Okay, I will write it down fastly so we can move further. Okay, I am not very fond of keeping my room clean and tidy. Okay, first one we discussed that I am not able to keep my room clean, so I used fond of word. Okay, second, but my sister does all this for me. So my sister is doing all this thing too for me. I have not developed a liking for non-veg. Okay, fourth one, but my elder brother does not support me. Okay, then fifth one, I have taken to playing football. Sixth one, I have developed a liking for chess also. Okay, seventh one, I appeal to my friends to play some game. Okay, eighth one, sports can be a boon in career making. Ninth one, they give a boost to my confidence. Okay, don't confuse, I will explain you it. My desk mate is keen on getting A grade. Okay, A grade. And the last one, that is, I hope he will assist me also in preparing my lessons. Okay, So here if you see what I have done, okay, I have wrote nothing difficult I have done here. I have simply wrote with using I have wrote simply wrote the sentences with using this box word. Okay. Develop a liking for, appeal to, be keen on, have a taste for, take to, support, assist with the aid of, help, be a boon, give a boost to. I have used those words and I have wrote down these sentences. Okay. You can make in your words also. That is also fine. That is also correct. Okay. I will read it one by one. I am not very fond of keep my room clean because I am not very fond to clean my room. But my sister does that. My sister cleans my room like that way. I have not developed liking for non-veg. I don't like to eat non-veg, but my elder brother does not support me. So my elder brother is not supporting me. Like that way, you can I don't. I have not developed a liking for a milk also you can write, but my brother is not supporting me. Let change it to milk also you can say. Here I wrote a non-veg. You can write it out for milk also. Okay, milk or any vegetables are there. Then fifth one, I have taken to playing football. Okay, I went for playing football. I develop a liking for chess also. I develop myself to play chess also, like liking for chess also. I appeal to my friend to play some game. I appeal means kind of a request to my to friend to play some game. Sport can be boon in a career. Sport can be very helpful in our career. They give a boost to my confidence. So that gives me one kind of a boost. What confident I have, that I have confidence that I will pass the exam. So that kind of confidence it gives boost. My desk mate is keen on getting A grade. So my desk mate is there, is keen on getting grade A. I hope he will assist me also in preparing my lesson. So my friend is getting grade A. I am considering that is I hope he will assist that my your friend will help you to get prepare in lessons. Okay, so this way you can create in your words also the sentences with using the box sentence words is given here. Okay, this box there is a given words, use that and make some sentence. I have made 11 here, you can make other also. Okay, we'll move forward. In this if you see this story has a lot of rhyming words as a poem does. Can you write out some parts of it like a poem so that the rhymes comes at the end of the separate lines? For example, Patrick never did homework. Too boring, he said. He played baseball and hockey and Nintendo instead. Said instead. So like that way, some rhyming words are there. Okay, some rhyming words are there which you need to create. One poem you can create to finish those words. Okay, so I okay here in this we need to create one kind of a poem to rhyme it from our chapter. Okay, so let's start. I will write it down. Okay, like a poem. First one is they have already given said instead. So I will write down the man of the tiniest size then was true to his word and wise. You see, size and wise both are a rhyming word. We should take all rhyming word in our last. It should come in our last. And the next, Patrick saved the elf. Patrick
saved the elf from the cat. Okay, then the elf promised to do all that. To do all that. Cat and that. Those are a rhyming word. Then again, Patrick loved sports and hated homework. He wasted his time and studies shriek. Okay, homework and shriek. So this way you can create the rhyming word, a rhyming poem. Okay, understood student, how we are going to rhyme it. Okay student, read it once. I will little enlarge it for you. See, size wise get that homework sheet. So that way we can rhyme it. Okay. Now we will see the next exercise. In this, if you see, look at these sentences. Too boring, he said. Clean his room, did his chores. Okay. He said that it is too boring. Then, as usual, he cleaned his room, did his chore. He followed his routine. When we speak, we often leave out words that can easily be guessed. We do not do this when we write, unless we are trying to write as we speak, as in the story. So if we were to write carefully, we would say, homework is too boring, he said. He cleaned his room and did his chores. Okay, so what it is here, we are not writing as we speak. Okay, you are speaking that he said too boring, but in a proper way, carefully if we write, what will the correct answer? That homework is too boring, he said. He cleaned his room and did his chores. In that way properly we can write. So this is given for understanding how we can write it. Okay, now if we go for a next question, that is C. Rewrite the following incomplete sentence. So in here B, they have given some example. Okay, here we feel like some word is missing and they have given one example. So in exercise C, rewrite the following incomplete sentences carefully so that the readers does not have to guess what is left out. So reader, like we are reading, right? So we should not feel like that there is something missing. More and more book, too difficult, got up late, missed the bus, solve the mystery. So here what we need to write it down is, we need to write it in a correct way so that the person who will read these sentences, they will not feel like there is something missing. So for first, more and more book, I will write down the writer and poets read more and more books, more and more books. Correct? Writer and poets read more and more books.
Then second one is too difficult. This personal question is too difficult to answer. Right? This some personal question will be too difficult. So here we can make one sentence like this way. This personal question is too difficult to answer. Got up late, missed the bus. So we will use those two words and we will make one sentence. When I got up late yesterday morning, I missed this school bus. Okay, so when I got up late yesterday morning, I missed the school bus. Because if you also get up late, you will miss some class also, or you miss some homework time, or something, anything can be you miss. So here we can create the sentence like this. Or fourth one, solve the mystery. That I will write Lord Krishna solved the mystery of life after death. So something you can write down like I have solved your mystery about this question, uh, or I have explained the mystery about this solution. Anything you can write it down in this to complete these sentences of four given. Here I have wrote it down with my experience in my word. Okay, you can write it down in your word. Okay student, so I hope you have understood this exercise also. What in this exercise asks that we need to use this word and we have to write down the sentences. To if someone is reading this word, they should not feel like that it is half, it is not complete. They should not feel incomplete, they should feel complete. So we have wrote down the complete sentences. And the last exercise is D. Look at this cartoon by RX Lakshman. Some RX Lakshman has drawn this and read the sentences given below the cartoon. So here some sentences is given. I will enlarge in PDF and discuss the following question with your partners. So here I am going to show you what are the written below image. Get on with your homework. The sums, the composition, history, geography, chemistry, physics, and stop reading the law against the child labor. Okay, so this one is written below the image. So in this you need to discuss with your friends, or if a group, or currently your friend may not be with you, but you can discuss with your family or siblings about this image. What you need to discuss, what is it about, what this image says. Do you find it funny? If so, why? Is it funny? That we don't know, but you need to answer. If it is funny, why? If it is not, then also you need to answer why. Do you think a cartoon is a serious drawing? Why or why not? So how do you feel about this cartoon? Okay, whether it is serious drawing or not. Why or why not? Why it is serious, why not it is serious. Like that way you need to discuss. Correct? So here you student need to discuss about this image and what it written below about image. Read it and write it down. So here in our class I will explain in my word, you try to do with yours. Okay, I will write it down in my words what I understood. In that manner I will explain to you. You need to write it down with your words. Okay, so let's start with one by one. That it is about a father concern for the betterment of his children. So in this image, what father is talking to children, don't read about law against the child labor, read geography, composition, chemistry and physics. That's what father is saying. In this below also they have wrote in a sentence, means few line. So we can write about here. It is about a father's concern for the betterment of his child. So father is concerned about his child future. Okay, for that he says to his children. Then we will write, yes, the cartoon. Second question is there, no? The cartoon is really funny. Right? This cartoon looks funny to you. Yes, this random drawing is there, so it looks funny. The long nose is drawn, so in that way you see that looks little bit funny. Okay, but why also father orders the child to labor. That is to work hard with his studies, but he forbids the boy to read the law against child labor. Okay, isn't it funny that father is asking that children to do study, and the boy is already studying the law against the child labor? Huh? Father is telling to children to do labor in his study, and that boy himself is studying the law against the child labor. So it's kind of funny. And why? Because father is asking for laboring in his study, but he forbids the boy to read the law against the child labor. Okay, so it's one kind of a funny thing. A cartoon is chiefly meant to make us laugh. What is the moral of cartoon? Here you see these three questions are there. Do you think the cartoon is serious, doing why or why not? We need to answer it. So here we are answering it. A cartoon is chiefly meant to make us laugh. See, in this what happens, you are doing something, okay, and again you should not do like that way, and he himself is doing like that way. So that kind of thing is there. Okay, if you are confused, I will explain this. Let me finish it. It is also a serious drawing in one sense. Okay, and why it is serious? It draws our attention to some point problem that affects us all. Okay. Okay, so here what it says, first thing, it is about the father concern for betterment of his children. In this picture, what first thing we see, what image says, and below what is written, that we have read it, that get on with your homework. See here, get on with your homework, the sums, the composition, history, geography, chemistry, physics, and stop reading the law against the child labor. Okay, that is father is asking to do him. So in here also, father is concerned about the better future of his children. And second question, what is it? Do you find it funny? If so, why? If it is funny, why? So it is funny, yes, the image is funny. Cartoon is really funny because father is ordering the children to study, to do child labor with his studies, but is asking the children to don't read law against the child labor, forbids the boy read the law against the child labor. That is not funny. First thing he is asking to do child labor with his study, and the second thing he asked to don't read this law also. So children is learning something and his father is asking to stop, so it's kind of a funny thing. And third question, do you think cartoon is serious drawing? Why or why not? So yes, cartoon is chiefly meant to, its main purpose is to make us laugh, right? That father is asking to do this thing, and also is asking to do not do that thing. He is asking to do labor, and again he asked to don't read labor law. Like that way he is making funny thing. Okay, but it also serious drawing in one sense. It is also a serious drawing. It draws our attention to some point problem that affects us all. So what affects us all? That we should do our homework. If you are reading randomly something that is not coming to your in your class, that is not your in a topic in your syllabus or something, you should stop. Once you finish your do things with your education, then you read, that is better. But before that you should not do that thing. Okay, so here that affects us all. And child laboring we should not do, correct? Child laboring should not be there. So in this what we learn, we should do our homework by ourselves. That's what we learn in this our chapter. We should do daily our homework, right? So here we have finished our all exercise. In the next lecture we will discuss a house, a home poem. Okay, and we will try to finish the exercise also of this. But till then what you need to do, write down the full exercise of who did Patrick's homework and understand it. Okay, if you have a doubt you can ask me. I will make this PDF available in our study material part. You can find it there. Please do your homework. Okay, see you in next class. Thank you.